Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Mario Badescu's Aloe Vera Toner, which contains Aloe barbadensis leaf juice, which offers multiple benefits for the skin. It is known for its excellent hydrating properties, locking in moisture while also providing anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial and antioxidant benefits. It is lightweight, soothing and absorbs quickly into the skin, making it a great addition to any skincare routine. Plus, it's free from alcohol, fragrance and essential oils, and it is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Now, you can use this toner daily in your morning and or evening skincare routine. Use it after your cleansing step, but before you apply your essence, serum, moisturizer or sunscreen if used. And for this video, I've prepared a few example skincare routines in a PowerPoint, which you can easily follow at home, and this should help you to understand how you can combine it with other skincare products. And the routines that I've prepared for you will work well for most of you. Now, as always, they're available for you to download in the description box down below. You'll find the timestamps there too in case you want to jump right into the application. But for those who are new to my example routines, I want to quickly go over them. So at the top you can see what the routine targets. Underneath the products, which are already listed in the correct order of application, and below you can see the directions on how I suggest using the products. Now, for the morning skincare routine, we are starting off with the cleanser. Remember to pick the right one for your skin type. If you're unsure, they are outlined in the PowerPoint presentation here for you as reference. Then wash your face with it, pat the skin dry, and then apply Mario Badescu's Aloe Vera Toner. Give it a bit to absorb, and then layer your favorite serum on top. Lastly, if you have prolonged sun exposure, apply the sunscreen to protect against damaging UV rays. Now, of course, if you have barely any sun exposure, you stay most of the time indoors, you're not sitting in front of a window with direct sun exposure, you can go ahead and skip it. And then either leave it as it is or follow with a moisturizer that's suitable for your skin type. Now, for the evening routine, I've prepared two examples based on the products that I'm getting most frequently asked about. Now, the first evening routine is centered around retinol or retinoids, while the second one focuses on exfoliating acids. Now, you can use them either on alternate days or just choose one of them. And if you want to know more about the frequency, please refer to the directions provided beneath the products. So begin by cleaning your face with your favorite cleanser and then pat the skin dry. Apply the toner as directed, give it a bit to absorb, and then follow with your retinol or retinoid. Lastly, which is optional, is the moisturizer, which needs to be adjusted to your needs. So if your retinol or retinoid formulation is making your skin a bit too dry, you can go ahead and add one. Just make sure to pick the right moisturizer for your skin type. Generally speaking, for dry skin, use a richer lotion or cream, for oily skin, a gel. For the second evening routine, I've included exfoliating acids, and I've picked the most popular ones. So again, start by cleaning your face. Pat the skin dry, and then either apply the toner and then the exfoliant, or vice versa. Now, applying the exfoliating acid toner before the hydrating toner helps loosen dead skin cells, thereby enhancing the absorption and effectiveness of the hydrating toner. On the other hand, applying a hydrating toner before may help protect the skin barrier and minimize irritation. So test both ways and see what works best for you. And then again, lastly, you could add a moisturizer if needed, but make sure that you adjust it to your personal needs and your skin type. Now that you know how to set it up, we can move on to the visual guide. So I want to share with you the application so that you have something in mind. And I'm going to go with the second evening routine, which includes the exfoliant. And the first step is going to be the cleansing step, and I'm going to use Beauty of Joe Sunscreen Plum Cleanser. Now, this is a hydrating gel to foam cleanser which effectively removes excess oil, dirt, sweat, the sunscreens I've mentioned in my PowerPoint, and everyday makeup. So let's get started. First, wet your face with lukewarm to warm water. Use about a coin-sized amount or about 1 to 2 pumps of your favorite cleanser. Lather it between your hands. Then massage it evenly over your face and neck for about 15 to 30 seconds, which is usually the time you need for this process. After massaging, rinse well with warm water. If you're at the sink, I recommend using a soft, clean, damp microfiber washcloth to help to remove the residue of the cleanser, sunscreen or makeup. If you've used the washcloth, remember to rinse again several times. Lastly, take a clean towel and gently pat over the skin to remove any remaining water droplets. Now it's time to apply Mario Badescu's Aloe Vera Toner, and there are two ways to apply it, either with a cotton pad or with the palm of your hand. However, for this toner I find that it works best with a cotton pad, as its consistency is almost like water, therefore I'm going to demonstrate that method. First, soak a cotton pad with toner, ensuring not to oversaturate it. Then gently swipe the pad across your face and neck. Leave the toner on the skin and do not wash it off. Now you can follow with your favorite essence, serum or moisturizer. However, since this is the evening routine with exfoliant, which I'm going to recreate, I'm going to move on to the ordinary lactic acid 5% plus hyaluronic acid. Dispense about 5 to 8 drops of lactic acid exfoliant onto the palm of your hand. Rub your hands together to distribute the product. Then blend it evenly over your face, avoiding the eyelids and lips. You can include the neck if desired. Again, leave the exfoliant on the skin and do not wash it off. Then you can stop right here or follow with a moisturizer suitable for your skin type. And if you do, I suggest giving the exfoliant a couple of minutes to work before layering your moisturizer on top. After that, dispense a bean-sized amount of your favorite moisturizer onto your fingertip. Rub the fingertips of both hands together and then massage it evenly over your face and neck, or only on targeted areas you feel the need. Again, leave it on the skin and do not wash it off. And that's basically it. I hope that the demonstration was helpful for you. And remember, you can download example skincare routines from the description box down below. And for more content, subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching and happy skincaring.